Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to talk to you about how you can easily add attachments in Asana. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just be in your project, click on your whatever task you got, and you can just easily add attachments here. You have options to add it from Google Drive, computer, let's say from computer, and I have photo of myself here, or you can click here and just click Google Drive. And you can sign in, add Google Drive files. It's really up to you. It's quite simple. So also the second way how you can do it is just by the task. Okay, so we have a photo here already. Or you can click on more and just click here files. And you will see all files here that you uploaded. So this is how you can add files. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support and subscribe. You know how it works, you know how it goes. And that's kind of it. Thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.